Hi. Once we have installed our Joomla site in our subdomain, which in this case is my test.trapecista.org tutorial, I just reinstall it on a new folder. I'm going to start building up my first article and probably play a little bit with a template, showing you how to change templates. Okay, so before that, I want to explain two very basic things. What I have here is what we call the front end, right? Which is what people will see is the way your website will look like. Okay, and on my administrator, which is on this part, I will have my back end. This is called the back end, and it allows me to change and create new items like menus, articles, polls, create new modules, installed components, and so on and so forth, right? So first of all, I'll show you how to change this template here, which is a built-in template. Joomla 1.5 comes originally with three templates that are built in, and the way to change them is simple. Just go to extensions, template manager, and in here you will have these three templates. Okay, we have this Milky Way, which is the one we have installed at the moment by default, and I'm going to change it to Purity. I just need to select Purity, go into my default button and click on it. Now, as you can see, if you go back to the front end and hit Command R, you will see how it has changed. So this is our JA Purity template. All right, so I can actually change it for this one, and just making this default. If I go back to my front end, I do Command R, it should change to this template, right? So actually like this JA Purity. So I just gotta go back here in default. Okay, you can install a number of templates if you want. You can install any template. Actually, you can find hundreds of them online for free, or you can buy them from some third-party developers that sell templates. But basically, if you want to change from one template to another, this is the way to do it. All right. Okay, now I want to create an article, right? So to create the article, I have to look for my content in the article manager. Now, there is a little problem here, and is that my article should be is related actually to a section and a category. All right, so first of all, I need to create a section, which I can do it by clicking here, and I need to create a category. Now, the importance of this is that it will help me keeping all my articles very well organized, and organization is important when you are working on big websites or even small websites. Is very good to know where you are and what you want to do. So make sure that you have sections and you have categories very well defined. Okay, so for this case, I'm going to create my first section. Just click on Section Manager, then I click here on New, and I'm going to create my first section that I'm going to call Western Food. Okay, for the alias, I don't want to type anything. I want to publish it. It's going to be public. Don't change anything here. If you want to have a brief description, go for it. That's fine. You can also add an image, but I won't do it just now. Then I'm going to save it. Okay. Now your new section should appear here. All right, so now I'm going to create a category. Okay, so I just go into my content category manager, click on it, and then I have my category manager. Here I'm going to hit new, and same as before, I'm going to type here French cuisine, for instance. Okay, now you can select, once you have created a number of sections, you can select one out of them for your new category. Okay, so basically what is going to happen is I will have my article inside a section that is called Western food, and inside a category that is called French cuisine. Okay, now I don't want to change any of these settings here. It should be okay. Make sure you publish it and then hit save. All right, so there you are. Here's your French cuisine category inside your Western food section. All right, so now I can create my article. I go into content, article manager, and I can create the article by clicking on this new button here, right? And might take a while. Okay, now I'm here into my article. I can call it French cuisine. Okay, the alias I'll keep it like that, and the section is going to be Western food, and the category is going to be French cuisine. Okay, so I can type some content here that I take it from the content I'm going to use is this lorem ipsum, which you can find in libsyn.com. It's a dummy text, so I kind of like to use it. It just looks good, and then I just paste it here. Okay, you can add images, you can add a number of items here that I'll do that later, but for now I just want to show you how easy it is to create our articles in Joomla. Okay, if you want to have it in the front page, just hit yes, and then you will have it in the front page, and then hit save. And if I refresh, go back to my front end, and I refresh by doing Command R, I should have my new article displayed. Okay, so it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I will add more and more in future, but I think that's all for now. So finally, before I wrap up, you can remove all these items here, like PDF, print, email, date, and creator of the article, by selecting your article and switching on and off some of the parameters here. So if you don't want to show the title, hit no, or make your title linkable, or you want basically to hide your print icon or PDF icon or email icon, and so on and so forth. So just play around with this, and you will see that it will help you creating an article with the looking and usability that you want. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you very much. If you have a question, just let me know. Thanks.